What if I told you that you can pray for things, you can journal it, you can vision board it, but if you're still sitting on the couch waiting for a miracle, let me remind you, dreams don't work unless you do. Too many people want the breakthrough without breaking a sweat. They want the harvest without planting a seed. They want success on a silver platter, but won't lift a finger to cook. Here's the thing, God can open doors, but you've still got to walk through them. He can give you the vision, but He won't force you to move your feet. In the Bible, it says, faith by itself, if it's not accompanied by action, is dead. That dream in your heart, it's not going to come to life unless you show up. Even when you're scared, even when you're tired, even when you're not sure what you're doing yet. Start while you're afraid. Start messy. Start broke. You know what? Just start. And hey, if you're waiting for a sign, this is it. And listen, even a cowboy's got to saddle up before he rides off into the sunset. Ain't no success story ever started with, I just sat there and hoped real hard. All I'm saying is, get up, get to work, then let God do what only He can do. You were made to build, not just dream. Remember, when in doubt, just ask Ronald. If you like this episode, follow for more and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.